This would be the Mouse River. Everyone in this area, this is area 8, has to be evacuated by early evening. As you can see, the river is right up to the bridge on 27th Street. Lots of traffic coming and going. Sandbagging over this is the other side of 27th to the west. And over here, right beside the house, is El Rio Drive. Lots of trucks again coming and going. As you look down this way, you can see this is where Robindale Trailer Park is and Holiday Village. And this is the river. It's quite a mess. It's supposed to be its highest on Thursday. They're doing secondary bagging, and everyone needs to be out of these areas, and if they're not, they may be stranded. So it's quite an event here. The flooding of 2011. Again, June 1st, 2011. This is at 10:20 a.m. We've seen some National Guard with the sandbags coming and going. This is the highest I've ever seen the river. I've lived in Minot, North Dakota since 1979, and the highest I've ever seen it anyway. Pretty much everybody is getting out. There's a sandbag right next to a home. On 27th, the corner of 27th and El Rio Drive. Quite amazing. My sister-in-law and my brother are here today in this area to just take out what they can, and like I said, early evening, everyone has to be out. Lots of trucks